Hello everyone and welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into the world of oil pulling, an ancient practice that's making a big comeback in modern wellness. If you're curious about how oil pulling works and why people swear by it, keep watching. So, what exactly is oil pulling? This technique dates back thousands of years, rooted in Ayurvedic medicine, and it's incredibly simple. You take a tablespoon of oil. Most people use coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil and swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. That's right, 15 to 20 minutes might sound like a long time, but there's a good reason for it. During that time, the oil works to bind with bacteria, toxins, and other debris in your mouth. By the end of your swishing session, all of that gunk gets trapped in the oil, and you simply spit it out along with those harmful particles. But why oil pulling? Many people who practice it claim a range of benefits, starting with fresher breath, whiter teeth, and healthier gums. Since the oil reaches all those hard-to-clean spots between your teeth and along your gum line, it can help reduce plaque buildup. And the antibacterial properties of oils like coconut make it a natural way to fight bad breath and keep your mouth feeling clean. But wait, there's more. Beyond oral health, some people believe oil pulling can help with headaches, improve skin health, and even support full-body detoxification. While these broader claims need more research to back them up, the potential benefits for your mouth alone make it worth trying. If you're ready to give oil pulling a shot, it's easy to add to your routine. Many people do it first thing in the morning before eating or drinking to maximize its effects. Start small, swish for about 5 to 10 minutes if you're new to it, and work your way up to the full 20 minutes. Make sure you're swishing gently and covering every area of your mouth, from your teeth to your gums. And here's a pro tip: don't swallow the oil. It's now full of bacteria and toxins, so spit it out into the trash, not the sink, to avoid clogging. Afterward, rinse your mouth well with water and follow up with your usual brushing and flossing routine. Remember, oil pulling is a great complement to oral care but not a substitute for regular brushing or professional cleanings. So, whether you're looking to boost your oral hygiene naturally or you're intrigued by the potential extra benefits, oil pulling could be a great addition to your routine. Have you tried it yet? If not, now might be the perfect time to start. Let us know in the comments if oil pulling is part of your daily routine or if you're thinking about giving it a try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Options 101 for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.